Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home. My total spent on all of my supplies was $105.04 plus taxes. If you get your nails done, you know that this is probably just one time at the salon, so I'm saving myself a ton of money. So first, I'm just going through my Gel X nails and I'm fitting them to my nails, making sure that sidewall to sidewall that I have coverage. I really like these Gel X nails. They come off very easy. I can soak them off with acetone after just filing them down, and they're really easy to use. So these are the nails that I picked. Once I select my nails, I'm going to use 3 products. First is a dehydrator to get all the oil and stuff off of my nails. And then I'm going to use the prep. And the dehydrator and prep was $8.09. The nails were $28.99. So after I get the dehydrator and prep on, I'm going to put a coat of nail glue. Now the nail glue I got a double pack for $18.99, so 2 bottles. These are really good size, and I haven't even gone through the first bottle yet, so it's going to last me a long time. So I'm going to put a thin layer of nail glue on all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure it for 120 seconds. And then once I do that, I'm going to take each nail, I'm going to put glue on the inside, just a very thin coat, and then I'm going to add just an extra little bead at the bottom. And I'm going to do this with each nail that that I'm doing. And then as I'm applying the nail, I am pressing it from the cuticle to the tip, being careful not to get any bubbles in the nail. And then once I'm happy with the placement, then I'm putting it underneath this small flexible lamp. I got this for $9.98, and this is just a flash cure. Once I do all 5 nails, I'm going to put, excuse me, my nails underneath the big lamp for 120 seconds. And these stay on really well. The last set that I had lasted me almost 3 weeks, so quite a long time. So this is not a fast process. It does take a lot of time to do my nails. I would say from start to finish, it takes about 2 hours. I'm definitely not a professional, so probably the reason why it takes me a little bit longer. Then I go through and file all of my nails, and I'm taking off the shiny coat from the top of the fake nail. Now, the nails that I have, these are full cover nails. They're not tips. So I'm just making sure that all of the shiny bits are filed off so that when I put my color on, it's going to stick really, really well. You'll have to let me know down in the comments if you do your nails at home, if you have any favorite products. I used to get my nails done in a salon, but it's just too darn expensive, and I just didn't have it in the budget to do it every couple weeks. By the time you get your tips done and you fill your nails every 2 weeks, plus you're tipping your nail tech, it can be quite expensive. So I was more than happy to spend that $105 on the supplies because this stuff is going to last me a really, really long time. I think it's kind of therapeutic too to just kind of sit down and put some Netflix on and do my nails. I can usually finish them up watching like a single movie. So like I said, it takes me around 2 hours. Hopefully, the better I get at it, the less time it will take me to do them. I really like these short coffin nails. I like the shape. I have big hands, and the shape of the nails really help to give the illusion that my hands are more slender than they are. Now the colors that I'm using, I had Nail Addict sent me the top and bottom coat. The color I got from a Beetles nail kit. And so I have a kit by Beetles that has a top coat, it has the bottom coat, and several colors. It also came with the big lamp that you see here, and that was $38.99. And the only reason why I didn't use the Beetles top and bottom coat was because the bottles are small, and there's just not a whole lot in there. And so I was trying to use up some of the freebies that I was sent. So I'm using this Beetles color. And after I got done with my polish, I don't really like the combination of the light pink that I selected along with the glittery top coat, but that's okay. I do have a damper dish and a brush, and I'm just going around my nails with a little bit of acetone just to take off any excess that might have dripped onto my skin. I really try to be careful when I'm doing my nails to get all of the excess off, because once it cures, it's on there, and it's like an act of Congress to get it off. And so I'm just doing one coat of this light pink, and I can't tell from the screen, but I think this is color 164 by Beetles. And I really like their polishes. They really hold up well. I'm just not the biggest fan of this baby pink after I got it on. I was like, for what I was trying to do, I could have picked a different color, but that's okay. It goes on really well. It cures well. It holds up to typing and dishes and housework and all those things. My last set, I think I mentioned, lasted almost 3 weeks, and I'm hard on my nails. I don't wear gloves when I clean. I don't wear gloves when I do dishes. I type all day, and I'm a not an not an angry typer, but I type kind of aggressively. So the nail polish and the nails, they really stand up well to like really rough everyday use. All right, next I'm going in with Organic Lavender. I love, love, love these colors from Madame Glam. They did send the polishes my way, and I really appreciate it. But I love the colors I selected. Now, I kind of went a little heavy-handed on my left hand when I put on the first coat, and I did kind of regret doing this because the glitter is in like a clear coat, and while I was trying to make sure I had enough glitter and that it was evenly placed on my nail, I had quite a bit of the clear that kind of ran off, and I ended up having to clean up a little bit later, but I still love this color. It's beautiful. Again, it's Organic Lavender by Madame Glam. I really like their polishes as well. They stand up really well. The last time I did my nails, I used Madame Glam Candy Cane was the color that I selected. And I did 3 coats of that color, and it stood up really well to my abuse. So this is the first coat. I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 120 seconds. And 120 seconds is kind of just what I set my lamp to. And do I need to cure it that long in between each coat? Maybe not, but I just do 120 seconds because that's what I have it set at, and it works well. And I know that my nail polish is cured really well, and not going to have any issues with stickiness. So now I'm just going to put a quick second coat of glitter on, not as heavy-handed as the first time, and then I'm going to cure it for another 120 seconds. I did end up filing my nails down quite a bit after doing this because they were just a little too long. Last is the top coat by Nail Addict, and I like their top coat. It's a no wipe. If you've ever done gel nails, you'll know that some top coats you can just put the top coat on, cure it, and it's good to go. And then others you have to wipe off with alcohol because it gets the sticky layer. The Nail Addict top coat is not sticky. Last is some cuticle oil just to freshen up the cuticles, and that's it. Here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love doing my nails. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel.